Do not call my man a dog. Not over there. Don't call him a dog. Sima, stop it. Sima, you are too young to call people's husband dogs. Hmm? Usasemncane girl. Usasemncane. So Sima shared her thoughts on TikTok, okay? She said, she once believed that Moda was a decent man before adding, you look at him and you think DJ Zinhle one, kanti yinja, he's a dog. Hayi bullshit wena Sima, usho kanjani? Uthini over there? Eh? So DJ Zinhle, who has largely avoided addressing this drama until recently, took to TikTok as well to express her disappointment over Sima's comment. And um, she said Sima could have contacted her because they speak, they DM, and she has, reached out to her, doing business with her. She doesn't understand why she would stand over there and drag her man, you know, like calling him a dog. Hayi bo, usho kanjani? And people are not taking this lying down. People are so disappointed over Sima's comments, but mainly over DJ Zinhle clapback, you know. But you look at it, Sima shame because they've been doing business, not DJ Zinhle. Maybe she was doing woman empowerment, women upliftment, like asihlanganeni simbokoto, and but yeah, it didn't land like that with DJ Zinhle, and she just said no, not my man being dragged over there on those streets, you know. Now DJ Zinhle is saying she will never recover from these ways. Njani DJ, njani. You know what DJ Zinhle? Thina bese simuvile on, you know. We were already moved on. Now you're taking us back and then you tell us when you will never recover from this. Kanti thina bese sirecoverile and moved on. But now you're taking us back. Why are you doing this to us? Why are you doing this to us? What are you even saying when you say you're not gonna, you don't think you'll recover over this Sima's ways? Is it that deep? Ukuthi you cannot recover? Or what are you trying to do, kahle kahle? Are you trying to say people over here go and fight Sima over there and forget about what is going on in my yard? Forget about Moda, but go and fight Sima over there. Are you trying to do that? Are you trying to say that? Girls, tell us. So here is my take, okay? One, a couple that plays together, performs together, that couple will stay together, okay? Two, stop defending uh, marital squabbles. Ningenaphi? Into zabantu abawu-two, you don't get inside phakathi phakathi because you'll be left with them while they are playing together, performing together. Understand? Do not play stirrings empilweni zabantu abawu-two, especially married people. Do not enter yourself there because you won't like it when bakujikela and tell you when to get off and tell you to sit down, stick to your lane. You won't like it. Okay. So it's so clear that the nation is divided over this matter. And understandably so. So one ex user is saying, Olona is saying one thing about DJ Zinhle, she will protect the cheater and make another woman the villain. And another one is saying she's just standing up for her family, and that's her right. Another one is saying, uDJ Zinhle naye akadefendeki. Another user is saying, uModa ukhathele ukugcoka ijezi elinobuso buka AKA. Honestly, we are divided, but one thing is certain. Like I've said, a couple who performs together stay together. That's their bond. Just don't turn your marriage simply into a public reality show unless you are ready for the commentary that comes with it. Like I've said, we have already moved on and now you took us back there. Okay. That's why someone said, I'll defend Degi now. At the end of the day, the real lesson in this, not every opinion needs to trend and not every response needs to be posted. So, to everyone watching from the sidelines, drink your water, mind your business, and stop playing main character in someone else's love story. This has been your girl, Mrs. Indy, Mama Nyofo for herself, serving the shade and the psychology behind the drama. Until next time, stay amazing, stay shady, and keep your tea hot, but your opinions humbled, okay?